straight to mid-wicket.
Disappointment in the crowd. Just skidded on, trying to get up and over the top of that field. It came Williamson in there. Interesting discussions.
Should be taken. Kane Williamson pockets it, and Santner strikes again.
Right, Mitchell in play this time. Mitchell safe.
Santner with his 8th. Yeah! Oh, well bowled, well bowled. Santner's always there. He picks up the wicket.
Just that one that skids on a little bit more, a little bit of grip. He's probably lucky he got a nick on that, otherwise it might have hit the stumps. That is a big deviation. Great catch, nice soft hands from Tom Latham.
That's in the air, and what a catch! Do not hit anything in the air around Glenn Phillips, to his right, to his left, above him. What a catch! And in the air, and does carry.